MAXIM is a graphical user interface for Windows that uses the power of the MX Foundation API combined with the MaxT Flex hardware. The application can be quickly launched from the Start menu or from the desktop icon. When the application starts, it will attempt to connect to a local device, and if one is not found, it will start up in offline mode. To connect to a Flex device, click on the Devices button. Then click on the File menu and go to Connect to Server. Select the connection type and supply login credentials if you are using Ethernet. If you have multiple devices, then this procedure will be used every time you start the software. If you have a device that you use frequently, you can set the preferences to auto-connect. To do this, click on Tools from the MAXIM main window and then select Preferences. There you will see the server connection settings. Enter the information here, and next time you open it, MAXIM will automatically connect to the device if it is available. Also, notice the two options above the connection settings. If you work on the same project frequently, then clicking the automatic loading option will save you more time during startup. Anytime a project window is changed, MAXIM asks if you want to save it before closing. Checking the Save Without Confirmation option will prevent this from happening, and the dialog box will not appear when you close a modified window.